Thanks, Ola Lights, for gifting me these under cabinet lights. They're going to go under my cabinets. These two are red right now because I did have them already installed and been using them, so they're recharging right now. And I just plug them into my handy all-purpose charger that I honestly got when my grandsons were coming to visit, and they have a bunch of stuff to plug in, but it works really handy to charge these 3 lights up. So I want to show you. I'm going to flip this around real quick. That is evidence of an old one that didn't work, and these are the 2 strips that the lights will, the magnets will hit on this side too. I'm going to have one under here. As you can see, I've tried several, but I really like these, so let's get them put in there and you'll see how they work. And they're just on there with magnets. It just sticks up there and you take them down and charge them by USB when you need to charge them. Honestly, like some of the reviews, I thought they didn't work. I thought the motion sensors didn't work. But what happens is you have to be, they will turn on within a few feet, but it has to be dark enough in the room, which I kind of like that because it means that it's not going to overuse the charge. Like there's no reason for it to turn on if I already have the full kitchen light on in here. In fact, they're going to turn off in a minute, and I want to show you. Okay, sorry. Stepped on the trash can. Okay, so now that one's going to turn off. Okay, so now that the overhead light is on, this one's not going to turn back on no matter how many times I put my hand under there. And that's good. That's saving the charge. So I actually really like that. They really look nice. I like how they light up the kitchen at night when I come in here. And they're working really well. I think you'll like them too. Thanks for watching.